store though.
Here we are in this fancy, quaint treehouse. It's pretty cool, right? You gotta check out the shower. Is one of the best parts. Got the shower. It's one of the best showers I ever had. That's a cool light. There we go. Cool stairs, right? Got a whole kitchen set up. I got my breakfast for later. Put that in the refrigerator. That's so good. Grace didn't eat the rice. I'm proud of her. Lots of beer, which I don't drink. Oh, look at that. There's a hot tub, but it doesn't really get very hot. There's my girl. But now we're gonna go down, party in the flat. First, maybe I'll have a coffee first. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a couple. First I'm gonna have a coffee. Oh yeah, but look at this net. I forgot to show you guys this. Look at this tree growing out of the floor. And you got this net. The guy claims that this is safe. It looks like the most unsafe thing I've ever seen. I mean, look at that. How is this safe? But I'm trusting the guy. I mean, this is what? PVC pipe? It's not safe. Anyway, that's this awesome treehouse place that I think I'm going to build one day. But we're going down to this adventure down here. Total adventure, guys. Yes, please. That's how you know you have a good girl. She make you coffee. Make you coffee and kiss you in the morning and always say yes.
So this is a non-smoking area. Also, they have a CCTV over there. I don't know if you could see it. They have this wood door, which is really nice. They also have it in the toilet. And they have a nice AC and this light. Also, they have a refrigerator and a free water. So inside, they have these drinks. You have an option if you want to drink alcohol. They have juice if you don't want. The mango is ours. We buy the mango. If you want some food, and they will bring it to your room. The bed is, I think this is a queen size bed. Good for two only. And look what my fiance got me. He's very sweet. Give me another baby. Thank you for that. And this one. Look at the view. It's so cool. It's like there's no other people in here. Only the two of us. Thank you, my love, for bringing me here again. So we have charcoal because we're gonna grill. So this is the whole villa. So this tree house is located in Balamban. We will put the exact location. We will insert the exact location here. So we moved to the second tree house today.
Hey kids,
No.
look how big this leaf is. Look at this leaf. Hurts my head.
That's itchy.
That's cute.
Yeah. Let's turn off this one. It's dark.
Hey man. Oh, thanks man.
No.
So I'll be bringing you food. Oh yeah, that sounds perfect. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, we have two. We have some left. You kids want?
Yeah.
A couple of these. Don't we? Is that okay? We give the kids.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Here you go.
Come on.
Here you go, kids. Treat. It's okay.
They're shy.
Yeah, I'll leave it here. Here. It's okay. Good enough for that?
Yeah.
Oh, you just enough. Of course. That's a cool place to hang out.
Yeah.
Badminton.
Badminton, yeah.
Badminton.
Nice art.
You draw that picture? You did that art? Who did that? You made that? Oh, they got it. Art. Let's see. This is very hard. It's not. This one you gotta kind of like go like this. That's stupid. I'll try it close. Let's see. Maybe now like this. Ah,
Magnet?
magnet. Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Not that bad. You try it. Then we go.
No, it's fine.
You try.
I know how to play this one.
Oh, that's a game?
Yeah.
Shells?
Yeah.
How do you play?
Remove all. This is yours. This is mine. So we put one each.
You want to play?
You know? That's fine.
How do we play?
Dahil no? Pangpangin ka na. No? Adre sa bolsa. 6-6. Dahil yun? I forgot how to play this one. This is the shell.
Oh, yeah.
So, patangan.
Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
there.
Good evening.
Ni dola mi. Wailing now.
Hi.
2, 4, 6. 6. Okay.
Okay. What do I do?
De, unahon nigang na? Usada yun. Ana. So, you do like this. Me first.
Okay.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
No, me first. 1, 2,
What?
3, 4, 5, 6. Ah! Dayon. Your turn because this one is empty and then that's my last.
Okay, so I take this.
Yeah. 1.
I put it here.
Yeah.
1. Here.
Yeah.
2. 3.
Until you finish
4.
all.
5. 6. 7. 8.
You grab the 2.
Okay. 1.
2.
2.
Grab all.
Grab all. This is interesting. Did I do that one? Though?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that one part of this?
No.
Two in there.
Next.
1, 2. Sunka. I'm buying this in the U.S.
Yeah.
3,
You can play like
4,
this
5,
having cover.
6. Yeah, you're right. We'll open our own coffee shop one day.
Yeah.
We gotta go back soon. They'll cook the banana before they're done with the meat. And I didn't get eggs, so we got eggs
First.
It's very close. So that was it, guys. If you enjoyed that, I enjoyed it. Let's play 6 more times now. 12 hours of, what's this game?
Sungka.
12 hours of Sunka. Are you guys ready for a 12-hour video of Sunka? It's like ASMR. You know ASMR?